So it can be done, lads. Yeah.
Got it.
The window, if you like me.
2 lock, please.
Try and get it out, yeah.
That's it. Door open. Well done, well done, well done. That's it. Out one. Oh, well done, sir. Bumped. Lovely.
I don't want to do it.
Lovely, Rakin. What's that? British standard? Of course it is. Fortress locksmith training. Bumming locks for fucking fun. No. Lovely. Right, get used to holding onto your tool and like passing it back through to yourself, alright? Right. Yes, chaps, so you've all done absolutely amazing. So for the end of course challenge, what we've got is we're going to have a drop snip on a night latch, okay? So I want you to use the letterbox tool with camera and the ferret cam to knock the drop snip, open the door, and then to actually get your certificates, you're going to have the 7-pin tubular pick. You're actually going to open the safe and get your own certificate. How about that for a fucking 007? Right, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I think Nadeem should go.
Normally go down and you knock them up.
This one,
And this
for
one.
some reason,
Yeah.
down, yeah, knock it up.
Don't knock it down.
Keep trying your keys.
Use this, we've got a digital safe. I want you to use tubular pick and get it open. Get your fucking certificate for it, alright? So remember, when you're picking these, generally turn anti-clockwise. So once you've got it in, it'll just go in nicely. There you go. It's a bit of tension, a bit of left and right. That's it. Whizzer. There you go. Keep it held. There you go. Oh, what's this we got here? There you go, brother. Well done, mate. Well
Thank
done.
you.
All right, brother.
Thank
Nice
you.
one. Hey! Ooh, that was a big swing. Go on, my brother. Go on. Handle it in.
Sorry, mate.
Your letterbox is too far out, the tool's too far out, you need to go in and out like that, that's it. Now it's right, alright? Remember, you're trying to, if you can get a jackpot on that snip, you're living the dream, but if not, you're trying to knock it down. Come on, you can do it, mate. Oh, try it, Keith. Oh, so close. So close. Ah, try it, Keith, now!
Come on, for it.
Yeah!